You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Now, this is an interesting word, quite confusing from the spelling, as you can see, with Y's and I's. So how do you pronounce that? Well, it is confusing because there are indeed different pronunciations in English that are correct. In British English, in the UK, it is normally pronounced as idyllic, three short E sounds. Idyllic, with a stress on the first syllable. Some may even say it as idyllic also, but generally idyllic, okay? Now in the US, that's more the American pronunciation. It's not to say that Americans may not use the UK one, but generally speaking, in the US, it's more pronounced as idyllic. So the first I is an I sound, the Y and the I are E sounds. Idyllic, still a stress on the second syllable, idyllic. Now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.